Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SPY. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis on Wednesday, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from. And the big dynamic that occurred today was late day, nice surge. But it's always a question of, okay, well, I mean, how strong actually is any sort of surge? And this surge was strong enough to finally get back up above that red line resistance, which I've talked about in past videos, which sits right there around 305.50. So 305.50 is now going to be a very important level going forward. And this is all just based upon a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So the big question going forward, and this is not some sort of great philosophical discovery on my part, is just, is this the start of a bigger breakout? Right here. No doubt about it. It was a nice move, but is there any true power behind it? Well, let's just see if the price can make progress. And how am I defining make progress? Well, let's see if the price can stay outside of the channel that it just broke above, right? I mean, the price had been stuck inside of this little 2-day channel. The price is broken above it. So the last thing you would want to see is for the price to roll back over and then go back inside of it. Because if that were to occur, well, then what would that be doing? Well, it would quite literally be putting the price right back inside of the channel, which is the exact opposite of any sort of true power, true strength, or anything like that. So that is why 305.50 is going to be a very important level, because it's literally mapping out whether or not the price is showing signs of strength via progress, or is the price showing signs of weakness by simply going back to where it already was. Now, in the event this breakout wants to continue to break out, the next big roadblock that a lot of people are going to be watching, myself included, is that purple line there, the very well-known, the very famous 50-period moving average, which as of right now is valued right here around, there we go, the 308. Let's just call it 308, because that level will change around. But point here being that right around the 308 mark will be an important area of resistance going forward. And if the price can actually break up through there, then I mean, I'm not saying it's shooting up to 312, but there's definitely some room there for upside momentum to build upon itself. But we'll see what happens with it. Like I said, I'm very curious about that 305.50 mark. Is this truly the start of a bigger movement, or is this just a little miniature dead cat bounce that rolls back over? We'll see what happens with it on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.